Welcome to the Electrical Toolbox introduction video. In this tutorial, we'll explore the essential tools that every electrician or DIY enthusiast should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, having the right tools is crucial for safe and efficient electrical work. Let's take a closer look at some of the essential tools you should consider having in your electrical toolbox. Let's go this video. I can provide you with an overview of the typical tools you might find in an electrical toolbox and their functions. Keep in mind that the specific tools included in a toolbox can vary based on individual preferences and needs. Here are some commonly used electrical tools. Number 1. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers with insulated handles are essential for working with electrical components and panels. They come in various sizes and types, including flathead, slotted, and Phillips head screwdrivers. Number 2. Wire strippers. Wire strippers are used to remove the insulation from electrical wires to expose the conductive metal. They often have multiple cutting and stripping holes for different wire sizes. Number 3. Pliers. A good set of pliers is indispensable for electrical work. Needle nose pliers are useful for gripping and bending wires in tight spaces, while lineman's pliers are great for cutting and twisting wires. Number 4. Cable cutters. Cable cutters are designed to cleanly cut through electrical cables and wires. They provide a precise and clean cut, reducing the risk of damaging the conductor. Remember, always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Use appropriate personal protective equipment. And follow proper procedures to minimize risks. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.